It's Lephong. I belong to the Konyak community from Mon District. Today, I'm very excited to convey my heartfelt thanks to all the people who have supported me through this journey. I'm excited not just because I got elected among the best top 5 rank, but more because of sharing the platform to the youths to explore our talent that God has gifted us. And I would also like to give a special thanks to the judges, co-partners, and sponsors. It really means a lot to me, and I want to give the highest praise to God. And now I'll be singing a song called He Keeps Me Singing in my own dialect. Hope you enjoy the song. Mong chẳng mà hem cho lô khu nàng chỉ su ở ta pha ta ta nhân ta với chi